Good evening, everyone from Indochina. It's now gone 9:30 p.m. and 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in New York. And let's just see what New York is going to do with the move on gold today. What we've seen so far is the London market took it well above the Asian high, which was 46.01, and took it up to 46.10. So we have a new all-time high on gold. And that's kind of expected what London would do because either they will take out the Asian low, which was way down here at 46.05, 46.06, somewhere in there. And then, but that's just too far away. That was $100 move today in the Asian market. So this was not expected that London would try and take out the Asian low and grab that liquidity. Instead, they have continued the move up in the London session and actually broken above the Asia high, which was 46.01 earlier today. They went sideways for a while and then broke structure, moved up a little bit, made a new structure, and then broke that, and have now moved up to what is it, 46, 19, 46.19. Yeah, new all-time high for today. And then just moving up there, just grabbing that liquidity above the Asian high, taking out all the pending orders, dropping down and knocking out the stop losses. But let's see what Wall Street is going to do. Maybe Wall Street is going to break above that Asian high again before coming back down to a lower level. What I'd like to do is put on the FVG, the fair value gap, and let's see what we've got here. I have a bearish fair value gap. You see these yellow lines here? These are marked the equal highs and equal lows. We had a resistance there, support, support, down here we had support, support, over here resistance and support. And these are all just the previous minor levels where gold might come to. And it did come down to that, almost to that, before Wall Street opened. And now Wall Street has opened, and it looks like it's making a bullish move. So inviting all of the retail traders to chase this green candle here and buy. That's what Wall Street is doing. Don't be tempted by that. Okay, let the market settle down just a little bit. Let's see what Wall Street is actually going to do with it. What's the real move? We've already had a $120 move up today. It's 1,200 pips. I really doubt seriously that gold will continue to even set another all-time high. We have one all-time high earlier today in the Asian session, another all-time high in the London session. So what Wall Street has done now is push it up a little bit, now starting to come back down. So just be patient. Let's wait and see. We don't know what the direction is going to be, but it could either be an extension of this bullish move or it could be a reversal. Go down and take out more liquidity from the lower prices. Anybody that's been trading, buying, 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 You're gonna probably have your stop losses down here below this first support level, and I would expect that Wall Street will try to take those out. We'll wait and see. For me, I'm not going to take a trade yet. I don't really like to take counter trend trades. Gold is bullish on the day chart, bullish on the 4-hour chart. I don't like to take counter trend trades. But we might get a move down. We might get a short move. But I don't trust it to go very far. And then I expect that we will continue to see higher prices this week. There is no high impact news today, so no news to be considered. And now what Wall Street has done and went up and just hit that Asia high for the day at 46.01. Now starting. So let's just wait and see. Be patient. Anybody that's joined in, thank you for being here. I appreciate that. Don't forget to like and share. That does helps the channel. And also in the comments, let me know where you're watching from, because I'm doing live from where I live in Southeast Asia. I know you might be in a different time zone. I'm on the 15-minute chart, 15-minute chart on XAU USD. Waiting to see what Wall Street is going to do, what they've decided. They've pushed it up a little bit, but now it's starting to come back down just a little bit. And the way this FBG works, theoretically, you should put a Fibonacci retracement in there and come down to the 50% level. So theoretically, if it touches this 50% level, then we could go short and expect to see lower prices. That's how the fair value gap works, how this indicator works. I'm using the Lux Algo fair value gap indicator. It's free on TradingView. And it looks like it's going to come up there and hit that. And boy, it is really moving up now. Only 9 minutes into the Wall Street session, and it's breaking, going completely past that now. You passed our 50% mark and continuing up. Don't chase the candles. Let's wait and see what Wall Street is going to do. That fair value gap has been mitigated. That's no longer appropriate for what we're seeing. And just continuing up above our Asian high for the day Asian high, which was right back here. Very early today. This was the high for today, 46.01. Now we're trading at, is that 46.08, 46.09. Hmm. And now getting a bearish fair value gap again. Wall Street has come up and, if you're buying in here, then you've got your stop loss down below the Asian high. So I kinda think we might see Wall Street come down and knock out all these stop losses, all these pending orders. Let's wait and see. Don't take any trades yet. Don't chase the candles. Hello, Jazz. Where are you wa where are you watching from? You trading gold or did you go long? Did you go short? Let me know what kind of trade you're taking. I haven't taken any trade yet. Just look back and review this Asian session from earlier today. The, we had this big move up, and then Tokyo opened right here. It's at 7 o'clock AM, China time, and they really pushed it up. Wow, it's a huge move. But I didn't get up that early, so I missed out on that big move earlier today. That was about a $60, $70 move. But that's okay. There will always be opportunities. Never mind, never mind. I'm looking for an opportunity in the New York market, in the New York session. See a big push above the Asian high, taking out the liquidity there from the buy stop, the buy orders and the pending orders, taking out the stop losses. Some people are buying, but no clear direction yet. Yeah, just observing, that's good. Good decision. Just wait and see. We don't have any clear direction yet. Yeah, Wall Street opened, and now that first 15-minute candle is finished, and we had to move up of the Asian high for the day. Now starting to come back down. So no clear direction just yet. Probably, on the hour, another 15 minutes, and we might have an idea of which way gold is going to go for the day. I kinda think we might see a reversal. I mean, there's been such a big move up today, 120, 1,200 pips from the start of the day. From when New Zealand opened, in the Asian Pacific market, it just, wow, went like a rocket, which wasn't surprising. I kind of expected that, but I didn't get up early enough. Then we've got mostly sideways and then a little bit move up and sideways again. I don't wanna take a trade too early. You know, you need to have clear direction, clear confirmation which way it's gonna go. If you started buying on this candle, then it's already come down about 50%. So you can see what I've got marked on my chart. I have the Asian high, 4601. I have the Asian low this morning, and also have the uh, previous day high was actually right here. There's no way that, gold is gonna come back down and take out the other lines are the support and resistance that we have seen throughout today. Minor support and resistance levels where it has bounced off of. Not getting much indication just yet which way Wall Street is going to take the market. This is what we do as traders most of the time. 99% of the time, we just wait. It's kinda boring. But I'm more concerned about protecting my capital. I don't want to jump into a trade unless I have some confirmation of which direction it's going to go. Right now, staying around the Asian high, 46.01. You know, having broken 4,600 today, of course, the next major level is 47, but I think we'll stay around 4,600 for a while. Gold can do anything. If you trade gold, you know it can do anything. It could just keep going up. With a 1,200 pip move today, that's a lot. If you just joined in, don't forget to like and share. I do appreciate that. It does help the channel. Let me know where you're from. And of course, subscribe to the channel and click the little bell so you'll be notified. I'm here every opening of the Wall Street session, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 9:30 p.m. Indochina time. That's Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, where I live in Southeast Asia. And if you want to message me privately, that's Telegram. I have a Telegram group with traders you can chat with. I'll put you in the Telegram ID is at RickRayFX. So now continuing up a little bit, another 7 minutes before the hour. We will do an hour. I'll really be surprised if it continues to break higher prices. Anything can happen. Now that fair value gap has been mitigated, almost. It's coming back on now. We could put another level up here, right there, a previous resistance level. There's no high impact news today, so no news to consider. There is news coming out this week, so be sure and check forexfactory.com. High impact news is some Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, then nothing on Friday. Last week was a very busy week for the news, but this week is a little bit not so much. So another 4 minutes until the hour, and sometimes on the hour we get a direction and see which way gold is going to go. Might just look over quickly at the other charts. The U.S. oil has done a they had a big move up, then fell down, and now it's gone sideways. See what platinum is doing? Oh, platinum is falling down quite a bit after a big move up earlier today. And then silver looking really strong. Hey, very, very bullish. Copper. Oh, what happened to copper? A big drop. And then Bitcoin staying around 90,000. Made a big move up today, up to 92,300. Now falling down, now starting to come back up. Go back on our gold chart. What we're gonna get here on the hour. I don't see any trade setup. For me right now, there's no trade to be taken. If it's going to continue up, I would expect that New York would come down here and take out more of this liquidity. But it looks like they may have already done that and now be headed down. I don't know. What are the big players doing? What are the central banks, the institutions, what are they thinking? I can't imagine that they want to take the price any higher today. So we could see a reversal in the New York session. And if we do, I won't take a trade. I don't like to take counter trend trades. The trend is my friend. Seems like there's some indecision in the US market, the New York session. Not doing much. Even if it does start to move up, I'm not going to take a long trade. Price is too high. I don't like to buy high. However, New York might decide to do a continuation of this bullish move. Our next major resistance level would be about 4650, sorry, 4650. So just 1 minute into the hour, and it looks like New York wants to take it up a little bit higher. Jazz, did you go long, or are you still observing? I'm still observing. Yeah. It looks like, I mean, it's looking bullish since Wall Street opened, but I really do get these high prices. It's moved up 1,200 pips today. Of course, it can keep going, but I would rather wait for a significant retracement and then buy. Hmm. Looking bullish in the opening of the New York session. Well, how about that? That big move up on the hour lasted about 3 minutes. Now it's falling back down. That's why I said don't chase the candles. Okay, guys, I'm going to close out here and finish the session off. I hope you have a good session wherever you are in the world. Wish you all the best with your training. And don't forget to like and remember I'm here every day at this time. And also, I'm do live in the Asian session, and that's 8 a.m. Indochina time, or that's 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in New York. And I'm in the Asian session, and sometimes I take a trade in the Asian session. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them here. I will get back to you. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to share, and I'll see you tomorrow.